How to turn off location on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off location on Facebook to protect your privacy. So if you don't want Facebook to track your location, just follow these quick and easy steps. And without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you have opened the Facebook app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, you'll be prompted to the menu section. From here, you simply need to tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in the settings and privacy section, simply tap on the search bar at the top and type permissions and select device permissions. Now tap on location and then select update settings. Now tap on open device settings to access your phone location settings. Now once you are in the app settings, simply tap on the app permissions. And now in this section, you simply need to scroll down and tap on location. Now change the setting to don't allow to completely disable location access for Facebook. And from now on, Facebook won't be able to track your current location. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.